Hi, Slime Corn. So for today, this is my first video, so I'm super excited. So yeah, so this is a spoof video, by the way. I did not really order any slime package yet, so this is a spoof video. So yeah, since this is my first video, I'm gonna say if this video gets up to like 5 likes, I will do some slime dares that you guys comment down below. So yeah, and I want 2 subscribers by next week. So yeah, so let's get on with the video. So I got my slime package here. I covered up my address. So yeah. So I'm just gonna put slime package on a chair, and this is a quick peek through of my slime I ordered. So first thing I pull out is this folded up paper, and what it says is the invoice. I ordered a medium popcorn slime, which was $4, which that was a really good deal because it looks on the picture amazing. Medium, like a medium, in between medium and small, white slime, $3. Peach slime, small slime, $2. Little white slime, 50 cents, which that was a really good one. And big blue glitter slime, $8. So I had a couple good deals on here, and when it says extras are included, like thanks, and it's all together, it was $17.50. And I ordered from Slimes, Point Cool, $5.82. So yeah. So I'm super excited, so let's just go now to my first video. I'm at my first slime. So sorry about what I'm wearing. I know I'm in my pajamas, but you know, I decided to just film my first YouTube video. So when I open it up, it looks like this. Now, I mean, I'm actually just gonna feel it. This is actually a pretty good one. I mean, it's a little like dried up. Now, where's my voice? It's like a little more like the drier side. Not too stretchy. Like this. It's not my popcorn slime. Not my medium small white slime. Not my peach one. Not my little one. I guess this one's my big blue glitter slime, which was $8. I guess that's how much it's actually a big one. So I guess that's how much are the big ones. I mean, there is dried up slime around the container, but you know, that's fine. At least I got a container with it. Okay, this one's pretty cool. It's actually not really too stretchy. I mean, I'm like forcing it to stretch because it's like super hard. So yeah, so let's get with the next one, which this one was $8. I think this should be a little bit more cheaper, but you know, that's how people do the prices. It's fine. So now the next one is this white one. Now, I guess this is my medium, like in between medium and small white slime, which was $3. And this one, I just like poked it, and it's actually really good. So now I'm just gonna like bring out the container. This is super good. I love this one. I'm gonna give some ASMR with this one. Sorry about the background noises. I mean, the TV's on. I forgot to turn the TV off. So yeah. So yeah, I love this one. Nice and like smooth and soft, stretchy, super stretchy, and it's like that, like the nice texture. It's like such a nice texture. I love it. This one. also about the background. I know the background isn't so neat, but you know. So, then I got this purple slime. I don't really order a purple slime, so I'm shocked. Why do I have a purple slime? And when I opened it, it's popcorn slime. So yeah, I'm not like I actually ordered like online. It looked like a good it looked popcorny with all the foam beads, and it was actually yellow. There was a yellow one and a blue one, and I ordered the yellow one, which was an extra $1. The blue one was an extra $2. So I just decided, and the picture looked amazing with all the foam beads, but I got this like purplish, bluish one, and I did not order the blue one, which I'm a little mad about the color, but the most thing I'm mad at is the beads. They're not foam beads. They're, you know, from, it looks like they're like there's these little green things. It looks from these like, you know, like people could mush, yeah, it's from those little S foam things. Yeah, so sorry guys about like the footage and stuff, because I was like that most of the video probably, even though the video's still running, but so yeah, this is super good. I love this one. Super good is not even a word, but there's like this eraser kind of thing, I guess. Yeah, it's just, I guess, to make it more crunchy. Some ASMR. Now, I love this slime so much. So yeah, that's cool. Sorry guys about that's the coffee maker thing. So yeah, this is so good. This slime. I love this one. So yeah, I love this one. This is such a nice one. I mean, it's a little sticky, probably from just like packaging and stuff, because it was super hot. It was not really super hot, but it was pretty like warm the last few days, so it's probably like droopy and stuff. So yeah. I did order this like 4 days ago, so I'm super, that's why like, it's pretty good shipping, I mean. Also, I forgot what I was gonna say. But this like slime is so good. Like, definitely order from Slime's Cool. $5.82. Her slimes are like the best slimes. It's packed. So, not all those, there are those containers. This must be my peach slime small. And it was $2. It looks disgusting. Like, look at it. You guys see that? It looks disgusting. It's not even such a peach. Ew. The texture of it is disgusting. But, you know, I have to play with it because I ordered it and I want to see what it is. I don't even think this was made with. This is so, like, disgusting. But, you know, I have to play with it since I ordered it and I want to, like, I don't even think this was made with glue. It's, like, ripping apart. This is, like, really disgusting and stuff. But, like, and it's too small. I thought this was going to be a little bigger for $2, but this was worth, like, 25 cents. Hopefully my 50-cent one should be, like as small as this one. Okay. So I'm going to put this away now. So it does say extras, so I'm thinking maybe this was an extra. So yeah. The next thing I pull out is this bag for like everything. No, I guess this is my extras. You can kind of see it. She's trying to write extras on the plastic bags that I wouldn't want. So yeah, first thing I pull out is this tape. I mean, it is used tape, but you know, everyone could use more tape in their house, so thank you. Then I got some of this like clay, I guess. It's actually morph. Yeah, it's morph because it's like fluffs up when you stretch it. Some morph. Thank you for the morph so much. I love morph, and you know, I'm gonna get. She also wanted me to give. She wanted me to give her a shout out. So thank you, Slime School, so much for sponsoring this video. So yeah, even though this is a spoof, but you know. Then I got this pop socket. Yeah, it's a pop socket because it. So yeah, it's a cute little pop socket, but on the back, I don't think the sticky thing is really good since it has all morph all over it. So yeah, but thank you so much for the pop socket. It is adorable. Then I got my last extra is my pop socket rolled. So then my last extra is this cute little marble, which this could be for room decor. So yeah. So I'm just going to put all my extras in the plastic bag. So this morph is unbelievable. Thank you so much for the morph. So I think I got everything. Let's see if there's anything else in them. Maybe I don't. This is my extras, I guess. Unless that is my peach slime. So here's my notes. You guys can have the first look. Oh yeah, this is my I was like doing that the whole time. So yeah, so that's it. I guess my sticky note thing fell off, but this must be my, let's see. I got that. And then this must be my little white slime, which was 50 cents. This is super small and it's so cute. And it's definitely probably worth it because this is so nice. It's such a nice slime. So yeah. So yeah, so this slime, all these slimes were so nice. I love these slimes. Were so nice, were so good. I love all of these slimes. So yeah. Especially the popcorn one is like is definitely one of my favorite probably that you gave me. Cause I like don't have flown beads at my house. Well, I don't have flown beads. I have the S's too, but I mean, even though the popcorn slime is not what really I asked for, but it still was actually really good. Real quick. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share, and comment down below what videos you want me to do next. So yeah, bye guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.